Well, hello there everyone. Today we're making a delicious stuffed bell pepper dish. It's a perfect comfort food that's easy to make and tastes amazing. Let's get started. First, we'll prep our bell peppers by cutting them in half and removing stems and the seeds. And I'm cutting them lengthwise, if you could notice. Then we'll drizzle them with olive oil and roast them in the oven for about 20 minutes. While the peppers are roasting, we'll prepare the filling. You can see all the ingredients that we will need. Let's start by mixing the ground meat, baking soda, and salt. We'll heat some olive oil in a pan and saute the onions for a minute or two. Then we'll add the garlic and cook for another minute. Finally, add the ground meat. Once the ground meat is added, we will season it with red pepper flakes and dried oregano. We will then mix the ingredients thoroughly and cook until the meat is almost cooked through. Next, we'll add the tomato sauce and cooked rice to the pan. We'll then mix in 3/4 of the shredded cheese. The mixture will then be thoroughly combined. And so, our filling is ready and we can put it aside for now. After 20 minutes, we'll remove the roasted bell peppers from the oven. They should be slightly crispy and tender. We'll then fill the peppers evenly with the prepared filling. To save time, I'll fast forward through the process of filling the peppers. Once the peppers are filled, we will generously sprinkle them with shredded cheese and bake them for an additional 10 to 15 minutes or until the cheese is bubbly. And into the oven they go. About 10 minutes later. And there you have it, a delicious and rewarding dish. Hello there again. Let's try this stuffed bell peppers. They're very hot yet. I hope it will be not too hot. So juicy, and it really has spice to it. A really pleasant bite. I mean, this amount of red flakes that we put it there, I think it's perfect, at least for my taste. Really good. Gotta try that. Seems lots lots to do, but it's probably altogether 1.5 hour. You can make a dish comfortably without probably even under 1 hour. Guys, really try it. Oh, so good. It's a little late for me for supper, but it's so good.